All right. Another day. The Coyote swapped C10 should be leaving here this week. We finished everything up. We basically replaced the whole cow floor sections, rockers, inner rockers, and retrofitted it to a Coyote motor. That's right. We put a Ford Coyote. Of course, you can't see it's under that bag. We put a Ford Coyote motor in a C10. The bed was pretty much fixed into place. Somebody at some point in time welded a piece of sheet metal in the bed over the top of the wood, which of course made it to where we couldn't get the bolts out. So the bolts had to be cut off the bed, bed removed. We boxed the whole rear section of it because everybody knows that C10s have a tendency to bend back there. So that thing should be leaving this week. Joel is moving right along on the crew cab, getting all the stuff worked out on it. Of course, just like the rest of them, mind the space constraints. Floor pans, inner and outer rockers. There's some rot in the cowl. Wow, that was close. There was some rot in the cowl. Bunch of rust repair, replacement. We're getting fixed up. But today, I got to take the show on the road. We don't normally do that, but it's for a really good friend and customer of mine by the name of Armando, who's a painter. You may remember the Volkswagen van, the hippie van chop up. It's that same Volkswagen van. He took it and basically put it on a rotisserie and started stripping. Found a few more rot spots. But of course, the drivetrain and chassis is stripped out. What chassis there is on a Volkswagen van is stripped out of it. So it's kind of stuck there. And rather than have him reassemble all of the chassis, we are going to load up a few tools and a little bit of metal and a welder and head out to Drummond's, Tennessee, home of Clay Milliken. Armando lives right around the corner from Clay, so we're going to roll out to Armando's house, see if we can't get a few spots knocked out for him, and that way he can get his van a little further down the line. Hopefully get it in prime here pretty soon, and then we get to run back to the shop. Right now we're going to get everything loaded up, shop opened up for the guys to show up, so they can get after what they're doing, and we'll see how it goes. Keep up.